Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to Rent Own Sell. As the temperatures rise and the sun beats down, keeping your home cool can be a challenge. But fear not, we've got some ingenious tips to help you chill out without using an air conditioner. This video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our cool content. One of the simplest tricks is to open your windows when the temperature drops. Keep them closed during the day when it's hottest. But when the outside air is cooler, let that refreshing breeze in. Placing fans strategically and using cross breezes can make a significant difference. Running bathroom and kitchen exhaust fans can help remove heat generated by showers and cooking. You can also use them at night to usher out hot air and invite cooler air in. On the upper floor, use a box fan to blow out, and on the lower floor, open windows to create a natural flow. Sometimes, a cool breeze and a touch of frostiness can do wonders. Try these DIY air cooling methods. Hang a wet sheet in front of a fan. Place a container of ice cubes in its path, or attach frozen water bottles to the back. These budget-friendly hacks can bring down the temperature. Ceiling fans are energy efficient and effective. They can make a room feel 10 degrees cooler while using just 10% of the energy of an AC. Ensure your fan blades rotate counterclockwise for cooling. Remember, they won't prevent heat-related illnesses, but they'll keep you comfortable. Swap out those incandescent bulbs for LED ones. Incandescent bulbs emit a lot of heat, whereas LEDs stay cool. It might seem like a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your room comfortable. One of the biggest struggles during hot nights is getting a good night's sleep. Try freezing your sheets or using cooling mattress toppers to ensure a cooler, more comfortable sleep. Greenery is not just aesthetically pleasing, it can also help cool down your room. Place potted plants strategically near windows to block out some of the sun's heat and increase humidity in the air. And there you have it, folks, a range of creative and efficient ways to cool down a room without AC. Remember, staying cool doesn't always mean cranking up the air conditioning, which is not only costly but also not the most environmentally friendly option. Give these tips a try and let us know in the comments which one works best for you. Stay cool, stay eco-friendly, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.